Today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 337 different strategies, with 110 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 235 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,026 indicators, with 428 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. And so the source video says secret indicator could be banned, 100% accuracy, insane results. And so right off, obviously, no indicator, no strategy is going to be 100% accurate. You're going to take a losing trade at some point in time. And so obviously, the claim that it's 100% accurate from the source video isn't very truthful. And honestly, it's probably not going to get banned because it's not really even a secret indicator. It's been around for quite some time. And so, now with all that being said, doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad indicator or a bad strategy. So let's go ahead and put it to the test. So the indicator they are referring to is going to be the ALMA indicator. And so the Anar-Lago, I believe it is, moving average. Could have pronounced that completely wrong, and so if so, please forgive me, but most people just call it the ALMA indicator, A-L-M-A. And so go ahead and add that to the screen and jump into the settings. And what we'll do is, under the inputs, we'll change the window size to 200, the offset to 0.7, and the sigma to 20. And the style you can do as you wish with that. I just left it the way it was, blue, and you can bump up the line weight a little bit if you want. And then click OK. And then the next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the MACD indicator. This is just the standard moving average convergence divergence built-in trading view indicator. Go ahead and click that and add it to the screen. And again, we'll jump into the settings of this. And what we're going to do is, under the inputs, we are going to change the fast length to 24, the slow length to 52, the signal smoothing to 18. Jump into the styles, change the histogram from histogram to area. And then go down and uncheck the MACD and the signal line and click OK. And so what we're looking for a long trade is, we are looking for when the price action breaks the ALMA indicator, the ALMA moving average. And so in this case, we are looking for the break. I guess I should say, look for the MACD, and it's kind of giving you the overall trend direction. And so you can see that the MACD currently is a green area versus the red area. And so as that is green, we are then only looking for long trades. And so you can see that the price action comes down, breaks below the ALMA indicator, but since we're only looking for long trades, we're then looking for a price to break back up above the ALMA, and you can see that it does so right here. And that would be your signal to then enter into a long. Now, the source video says that they will put their stop just slightly below the ALMA indicator. And I find that quite problematic, but still, I tested it mostly that way. And so, generally what I would do is, in a case like this, where the bar is piercing through the ALMA, I would put it right at the lowest point of that bar, just to give it a tad bit of room, because sometimes it's way up here, but nonetheless. So, and then what we're going to do is we are going to target a 1 to 2.5 risk reward, and so that's going to put us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. You can see that it makes a really nice spike to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, again, what we'll look for is the MACD. You can see that it is in the red coloration here. Even though it's really close right here, it still stays red the entire time. Price then starts to trade above the ALMA indicator, but then it comes back down and spikes through it right here. And so once that happens, again, that will be the signal to then enter into a short, put our trade right here. This time we're going to set our stop just right above the ALMA, because the bar right here is just slightly below it. And then we are going to target that same 1 to 2.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And again, you can see that with little time, makes this nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 13 winning trades and 37 losing trades, putting it at a 26% win rate. And so with the 1 to 2.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $7,800. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $240 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $8,880. It's going to put you negative $1,080. So a drawdown of $1,080 using this strategy. And so again, definitely not insanely accurate results, and absolutely not a secret indicator. And never going to get banned, I would say. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 57 trades altogether. We had 46 winning trades and 11 losing trades, putting it at a 78% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $27,600. On the losing side, you'd have lost $13,200 for an overall gain of $14,400. So definitely better results. If you're interested in the Academy Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status as well, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Recently, we've developed a crypto scalping strategy, and you can see some of the trades we've taken with it here on screen now. Some really decent results. If you're interested in viewing that strategy, just click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.